For the longest time, I've been filming on Sony cameras, and I never really knew what this button did on their higher end lenses. Right now, you're looking at the 24-70 2.8, and it has this button on here, and once you figure out what it does, man, it can be quite the game changer. If you're new here, my name's Javier Mercedes. I like doing video tech tutorials and gear reviews on this channel, and in this video, I'm gonna be talking about the Sony button. If you're into that kind of stuff, hit the subscribe button with the notification bell. Let's dive right into it. By default, this button on your lens is customized to be a focus hold button. So let me show you what that means if you were to be taking pictures. Right now my camera's in autofocus, and to show you the specific one, I am in flexible spot autofocus. So what this means is wherever that gray square is on screen, if I have to press the shutter button, it will pull focus to whatever is in that square. Same thing happens if I hit the back button focus right here. If I'm on the flower, I can pull focus to just the flower, and then if I wanted to, I could go all the way over here to Mr. Penguin in the background, and then back to the flower. Mr. Penguin, flower. Now what holding your focus in this instance might be is if I were to pull focus to some spot, click and hold the hold focus button. Now, if I have to press my shutter, it will not pull focus to Mr. Penguin. Also, if I press the back button focus, it won't pull focus to Mr. Penguin. But if I let go and re-pull focus, it will do that no problem. Where this comes in really handy is with video. Since I'm in continuous autofocus right now, notice that the camera is automatically pulling focus to wherever the square is, and I'm not touching anything, it just wants to pull focus wherever that gray square is on screen, because that's what it's supposed to be doing. But let's say I wanted to do a camera slide where I reveal Mr. Penguin from behind the flowers, but I don't want to take the time to have the thing pull focus like this. I just already want to have Mr. Penguin in focus. So what I can do is pull focus really quick to Mr. Penguin, hit the hold focus button on the lens, set up my shot, and do my pan like such. And be like, hey there, Mr. Penguin. Oh, hi there, Javier. Hit that thumbs up button if you also use puppet voices while you're filming. The other way that you could utilize this technique is if you were doing a push or a pull. So if I wanted to do a push into this flower and not have it try and seek focus the whole time, normally if this is an inanimate object, what you could do to cheat this is just pull focus really quick on camera, hit record, and then back up, and then reverse that when you get in post. But sometimes you can't do that with certain actions. Like if you were to reverse somebody pouring water, it doesn't work because the water's going upwards instead of downwards. So what can come in handy is focus holding. So what I could do is pull the focus really quick where I wanted it to be, hit the focus hold button, back up a little bit so I'm out of focus, and then make my movement where I push into the spot where I want it to. Boom. Another cool technique here would be to go through the flowers. So if you always have the same focal distance, you could just kind of go through and it pulls focus to where it needs to, or you could back up out of the flowers. But wait, there's more. Let's say you didn't want this button to be a focus hold button. Let's say you wanted to customize it to be like any of your other customizable buttons on the back of your Sony camera. Turns out you can. This is a completely customizable custom button, if that makes sense. Let me show you where it is in the menu. So when we go to the menu button, we're gonna scroll all the way to camera options number 2 and page 8. Then underneath the first custom key operation, we click that and scroll over to page 3, and lo and behold, there is our focus hold button. And now you have available to you 22 different pages of customizable things that you could put on this custom button on your lens. From the little bit of research, it looks like most people like to do IAF if you take a lot of portraits. But for me, since I do a lot of video, I actually kind of like to keep it with focus hold. What are you gonna customize this button to on your Sony camera? Let me know in the comments down below. Is it gonna be a focus hold or something completely different? Right here is a video that was chosen just for you through an algorithm by the robots that are taking our jobs. Or you could click my most recent video. Or if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? If you like my style, you can hit the subscribe button. It's somewhere on the screen as well. Until next video, I hope you're out there living a life of abundance.